So, if you are a Samsung Galaxy S21 Fe, also known as Fan Edition user, so this video is for you, as the Samsung Galaxy S21 Fe just received another update of Circle to Search. Previously, this Circle to Search feature was only limited to the flagship series such as Samsung Galaxy S24 to S21. Also, we will talk about the One UI 7 update in this video, so watch this video till end. So first off, let's talk about that how you can update your Samsung Galaxy S21 Fe to get this new circle to search feature. For that, you just have to simply go to your settings and then software update and then download and install. From here, you will get to see a new update of circle to search, which will bring in the new circle to search feature, as well as it will include device stability improvements and bug fixes. You just have to simply first of all download it, and then you just have to install it. It will restart your device, and then you will get to see this new circle search feature. First up, it should be available simply by long pressing your home button directly, and if it is not available, you just have to go to your display and then you have to select navigation bar. After selecting navigation bar, you will get to see this circle to search feature. You just have to simply turn it on, and that's it. Now you just have to simply long press your home button and you will get to see this new circle to search feature, which will allow you to search anything directly from your screen. By simply long pressing your home button and circling the object, it will search it for you using the Google. Also, if you are on a website that is not in your language, so you can also translate that by clicking on this icon. So this is one of my favorite Galaxy AI feature. Also, if you want to check out some top 5 Galaxy AI features, so do visit the link in the description. And now if we talk about the One UI 7 release date, so the Samsung Developer Conference is expected to be held on the 3rd of October. And according to some rumors, from then we will get to see the One UI 7 update. If we talk about the beta version, so there is no beta version released yet. It was expected to be released in the month of August, but now it is expected to be released in the month of September. And that's a wrap for today's video. I was using a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, but the process should be same for your Samsung Galaxy S21 Fe, from which you can get to see this new circle to search feature update. And if you are new on the channel, make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates.